Guru Maharaj, I'm wondering about, there's some things that we will talk kind of sometimes as if they're on the same level, but yet it seems like there's some difference. Like, I'm thinking kind of two examples. Like, one is where we stay. Like, anyone who's kind of living in a temple community or near a temple, or any temple is considered, that's also as good as like Vrindavan, the deity Krishna is there. But at the same time, we still are encouraged, or go to the actual, Vrindavan in India, or Mayapur, to the dham. And then, like, another example, I was thinking, like, different services. Like, so someone's chanting their rounds up here, and then someone's cutting up subjis for the, prasadam later in the kitchen. So both are devotional service. So, like, the dham and the temple, and then those two things, like, on the one hand, it seems like they're the same, but on the other hand, it seems like there's something different about the japa as compared to the subji cutting, and different about being actually in Mayapur, Vrindavan, compared to the temple?
Yeah, again, it's all a matter of consciousness, right? What kind of consciousness one is in. And the analogy that comes to my mind is, you see, two friends went to pilgrimage. And they arrived at that place, that holy place, in the evening. The one friend thought that, let's go to the temple. And the other one said that, we'll go to the temple tomorrow. Let's go to a movie tonight. We'll start it tomorrow. Today we can just go to the movie. And so finally, the boy who wanted to go to the temple went to the temple, and the other boy decided to go to the movie. The one who went to the temple, he started to think, really it would have been better if I went to the movie with the other friend. Yes, we could have actually started it tomorrow. But the one who went to the movie, he started to think, maybe it would have been better if I was in the temple. So although the situation are completely diverse, but their consciousness is where it took them. Like, also it gives me another thoughts to my mind, another idea, another experience. You see, one of Prabhupada's godbrothers once told me that it's actually Sridhar Maharaj. Prabhupada was very close to him. And Prabhupada wrote from America. He actually wrote, Prabhupada became quite sick at that time, and he wrote to him that if I leave my body in America, should I rather try to go back to India? And so Sridhar Maharaj replied that wherever you are, that is Vrindavan. Because you're always carrying Krishna in your heart. So wherever you are, that is Vrindavan. And that is where Krishna is. So, you see, the advanced consideration is that. Wherever our heart is, that is where we are. Not where our body is. Our physical presence or physical situation is not the most important consideration. The most important consideration is our state of consciousness.